2020 Exam 2, Question 4, Networks and Decision Making. Now this is interesting because it kind of relates to what we were talking about in a previous question. So it's the same diagram. So if you're going from S to O, how many different routes are possible? I don't know. I don't know why this is being done. It's not on the curriculum last time I checked, but okay, what the heck. So if you're going along the top route here, that's one possible route. Yep. Then you can go through here. Now from this point, there's a lot of diversity. So you could do another route there. So now we're at 2. Just going to keep a little tally here. Then you could do like that. Sorry, very messy. That's another one. And then you can do one like that. So that's another one. That's 4 routes. I'm pretty certain there might be more coming here. So I think there's only 3 there. I'm going to clear up this diagram. This is what annoys me about this. They should have cleared up the diagram, made it a bit easier for you guys to do this. That's another route. Yep. That's a possible route. That is a possible route. What else have I got to do? Got to go there, there. That's another route. I've got how many so far? I've got 8. I think you can actually go like that. That's 9. I think you keep going. There are actually 10. And let me just see if I can choose a color that's going to be different so you can see that one. Let's do that in this other blue. I think the other one is you come down here, through here, down here, and through there. That's the 10th route. There you go, clear as mud. You have to do a lot of tracing with your fingers and remember which ones you've done. A lot of people did 9. I think even I've got stuck a few times doing 9 because it just gets messy and complicated, and I don't know why that question's in there. It's not really part of the curriculum, but hey, I don't write these things. So what is the capacity of cut 1? So they've given us this cut 1. There's no backflow, which is surprising. That's just straight out 52, and the unit, do they give a unit on this? No, just 52, because 52 people. So a lot of people got that, 69% got that right. Okay, then the next question was, what is the maximum flow S to O? So remember the classic rule, that classic rule is max flow equals min cut. So can we improve on this cut 1 here? That's what we've got to think of what we're doing. Now, there are some other numbers here. So obviously cutting through 22 is not as good as cutting through 20. So we're not going to cut through the 22 there. But you've got a cut here of 12 and 10, or which is better, 12 or 10? Definitely 10. So we said we're probably going to cut off that top path and this middle path here. And then you don't want to cut through 25 compared to 20. So we're definitely not going to cut through there. Then we've got to see if I cut through here, that's not as good as the 20 because it's 15, 15, 10. So that bit is no good. And maybe you're just going to join up bits. That is definitely more than 20. Well, that's more than 20. That's more than 20. That's more than 20. Can't even get any backflow going on this thing. It's just really annoying me. Like normally I would say to students, there's always backflow. Guess what? There wasn't backflow. So that looks like being 50, and I can't see any line that improves that. And I feel confident about that because any line that's going to come into this area here is going to have to cut a lot of lines to cut off the source from the sink. Because remember, our source is S and our sink is O, and you're going to have to cut a lot of lines. And I don't even. Would you get any backflow in there? I don't know. The answer was 50. I prefer it when they just give you a bunch of cuts and there's not too much to change, but I'm not writing these exams. Something I might repeat a lot.